All right, guys, we've got a box here. It is a Retevis radio. It is the MB4 CB radio. I bought this used off of eBay. Retevis did not send it to me. So for all of you that think YouTubers get free stuff, this is not. You have not seen anything free on my channel yet. Maybe in the future. I don't know. Who knows? Okay, so here's the manual. I'm going to throw that out. Nobody needs that. It's supposed to come with everything. Oh, I'm really digging that size. I like the size of that. Nothing over here. Let's open it up. Oh, what is this? That's right. This radio is den mountable. We don't need that. I'm not going to den mount it. And it comes with a pretty neat mobile bracket as well. So let's put everything back together. Get the microphone out. Here's the microphone. And let's clean the shack desk off. All right, so now we got this thing set up. We're gonna go ahead and screw the microphone in. One thing I noticed with the mic, this looks awfully familiar to an Anytone mic, but I really like the look of this radio. I'm a big fan of the front firing speaker. I'm a big fan of the channel knob. A lot of these cheaper, less expensive radios are coming with like up and down buttons for channels. I don't like that. I like a channel knob because I change channels a lot at work, and having like being able just to reach up and turn these instead of punching a button is much better. So let's go ahead and turn it on. It's in US mode. All right, there it is. He was on channel 28 or whoever had it last. So first things first, we're definitely not going to look at the menu. We've got it hooked up. I like the big numbers as well. This might become like a shack radio. I don't know. I might even put this in the mobile. You can hear it on the shop radio. We'll go ahead and turn that down for now. Let's watch it on the meter back there. See what she does, fresh like it is. It says high, or maybe high cut right there, not high power. Who knows? We're also going to open this radio up eventually. Dead key's right at 3 watts. Hello. Hello. So not a powerhouse right out the box, but that's to be expected. Radioddity typically makes good, clean radios. Let's see what we got for modes. AM, FM, noise balancer, noise reducer. Hold it down, should take that off. Tone squelch, we're definitely not using tone squelches. That's interesting. And dim. Okay, so we got 3 dim settings. We definitely want it on high. RF gain, okay. I don't know how I feel about this, if you want me to be honest with you, because I like a variable RF gain, and this one has steps. I mean, it's not the end of the world, but not the biggest fan of that. Let's go to menu, beep. We definitely want beep off. Roger beep. Typical Retevis sounds. I like that one. What is this? Oh, that's to set Roger beep. We don't need any CTSS. I want to know I want to know. It's timeout timer. I want to know if this thing has talkback. Let's consult the manual. After consulting the manual, I have determined there is no talkback. Let's see how it sounds on the shop radio. Hello, one. Oh, got a little high. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Not terrible. I mean, it could definitely be louder, but there's no like mic gain settings. Hello, hello, Corncob CB shop. Hello, Corncob CB shop. I mean, we're gonna be picking up a lot of noise. Let's listen to the shop radio on it. Hello, 1, 2, 3. Hello, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check. Nice loud speaker though, for sure. We're going to open this radio up in another video, but I just want to show you guys this is the Retevis MB4. I like the looks of this radio. I like it a lot. Can't wait to see what upgrades we can do. 73 guys, thanks for watching Corncob CB Shop. You might see this one for sale sooner or later.